Taking time. It's taking time. Greater than usual. Let's wait. I think yes. Now it came. Okay, perfect. Now to do the configuration of remote access VPN, first of all, we need to enable the blades for the remote access VPN, right? So what I'll do, I'll go to my gateway. I'll double click on it.
हाँ
Okay, here it is. I will enable the IPsec VPN, right? Plus mobile access. This mobile access is very much important. Yes. The moment you'll be enabling the mobile access, it will give you certain options. What exactly you want with this mobile option? You want the web authentication, you want the mobile device authentication, you want the desktop laptop. So apart from this mobile access, because on we do not have any mobile device on our lab through which we can complete this lab, but we can check this with the web as well as with the desktop. Okay, so I'll click OK. Next, it says that this will be the portal URL. Like for the web authentication, this will be the portal URL. So now, can you see this portal URL is hosted on our internal interface, right? And whereas we want this URL to be available on the external interface. For that, I have 10.0.3.181. So I'll use that IP here. 10.0.3.181, is it? 3.1, correct. So this is the IP. I'll say next. Now it will give you some demo clock or something. Just press next, and it says that what exactly you want to connect. Do you want to configure the local users on the firewall, or you want to connect any AD? I'll say connect this AD. Now this test is successful, right? Its AD is connected. I'll click next. I'll add the user. So you can see all the users is coming here. Now I'll use the user group which we have created yesterday, LDAP test, right? Where we have already a user named Finish. Dayal is already part of this test group, right? Okay, perfect. Click it, click OK. Now go on this security policy. There we have this security policy. Right click on it, edit the policy. Double click on this blank option, and we have mobile access here, right? Just click on it and click OK. Click OK. Okay, perfect. Now just publish these changes. Right? Now install the policy. So What is remote access VPN? Why we need it? All this information we have already covered in our VPN class. It's just the lab part was remaining, and lab part we are doing today because we have already integrated our LDAP yesterday, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So now the policy is successful, right? So till here we have finished our lab. The lab setup is completed. Now we have to create one rule basically. So rule will create and will create above to this rule or below to this rule hardly matters. I'll say below to this rule, right? I'll say remote access VPN rule source. For the source, I'll right click. I'll say add legacy user, right? Here I'll select either all user, right? Or what I can say VPN embedded device, right? So before to this, what you can do, yes, before to you can go to VPN community. If you go to remote access VPN, participating user group, you can see all users are there, right? What you can do, you can cancel this and plus on it, you can either select this particular group or what you can do, just give me one moment. Okay. And apart from this, if you want, what you can do, you can click on this more user, click on user, and you can say default profile, use the default profile. Now, where is default profile? Now, if you click on this participating user, this is the profile basically, right? VPN embedded device defined as the remote access profile. So this default profile will be you adding the user in this particular group. So click on this more user default. Okay. You can name the user DAYAL. Leave it the group authentication. I would say checkpoint, set new password. I'll say welcome at 12345. Then welcome at 12345. Click OK. Click OK. Now what you can do, you can create new user group, and I can say IT users. I can add Dayal in this particular group, right? Click OK. Now what I can do, I can double click on this participating users, IT users. I can use this particular group here in this gateway, or Mm, okay, it's not coming. The branches are not coming here. Okay, how I can call the AD user in this group? Can we call it or not?
Is the 80 server running?
Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. This is identity provider, which is not required. Yes.
There is a LDAP group. Can we use it?
LDAP group. Yes. Let me account unit LDAP. Okay. If I'll name the group, let's say test, for an example, scope CN is equal to Dayal, comma CN is equal to users. Or maybe what I can do instead of Dayal, I can say administrator, right? Administrator, yes, correct. Use this option and here. Okay, if I'll click OK, now can I call that here? But that LDAP group will be able to use it or not. I'm not very sure about it. Let me see if I can see. It's there, but okay, let's see. So I have used it here. Now I'll go back to the policy. Here in this policy, I'll click add legacy user. In all users, I have the IT users as well as the test user. So test user is my LDAP group, right? And this IT user is my group. So let's for now just use the IT users, and we'll see the test user later on, right? Or what I can do, I can create one more rule below to this, and I can say test user here, right? Destination, I would say test network 1.0. Instead of this test network, I should use this as the admin network or LAN network, right? Admin network. Yeah, now it's admin network and network objects. Dynamic objects, security zones, gateway and servers, networks. No. What I want data type VPN service and let me use test. Okay, this is the group user and identity. Okay, this is going to user identity. I'll give it the name LDAP users. LDAP group. Okay. Okay. I'll use hyphen here. Click OK. Perfect. Now I'll publish this. Oh, accept. Now both the both the traffic, so those source and destination we have defined, both the VPN should be specific VPN community and one moment. Now here this will be a remote access VPN, right? Here also it will be remote access VPN. So both the traffic will go to remote access VPN and I will be enabling the log on these particular rules. Now I'll publish this. Okay, now I'll install the policy. Okay, the policy is getting failed. Let's see why it's getting failed. Okay. Rule 2. It says rule 2 has the legacy user. Legacy user we are creating, right? Something is wrong. Checkpoint remote access VPN configuration.
Vikram ji,
Okay.
do we need to configure the address that one group access rule, that group, and then in that we can add
Uh,
the source is a access that access rule group, and then in that there is a group. Uh,
access role we have created yesterday, right?
okay.
Okay. Let me see. Something I'm missing. Sometime I get confused with Palo Alto and Checkpoint, so
Mhm.
it's very common thing with me. Okay, more user and identity.
Access rule, second one.
Access role is
I
access
don't
role.
know if it is creating a problem, but in our setup, it access role is created, and in that group was
Okay,
added.
let's see. Users hyphen IT. Users access role we have created yesterday, right? So access role here we have, see, this team sales is access role
Uh-huh.
basically. So here, like definitely we can call the users, right? I can if you
Group,
want,
yeah, you can call group.
yeah.
Group.
So if I cancel this, yes. If you want this team sales is access role. See, access role. This we have already created where we have already have the team LDAP test. So, but the problem is, okay, publish, install policy. Now I think we'll get the error for rule number 3. Yeah, it's failed, right? Now this must be for rule number 3. Yes, it's for rule number 3. has legacy user in the source and destination column, which can be configured on layer with firewall only. Okay, it says the firewall only layer it can be configured. So for now, let me just delete this rule, and let's see if with the access role if we can have. But no, I think I have done this thing multiple times. We are missing something. No problem. We'll troubleshoot what we are missing. Now the problem is like, okay, disable this rule. Otherwise everything will be, or what we can do, enable this rule and move this rule below. Okay, now this rule will be for admin network. Okay, but here, okay, publish. Install. This time this will be installed, but I doubt that we will be able to connect. Okay, no problem. Uh, we'll go to remote access VPN now. Yes, I want to configure a new site. Click next. It will ask you the IP address and everything. I'll say 10.0.3.181. This is the IP address of my external interface where I have configured the remote access VPN. This will try to connect with that particular gateway. Okay, it says that this site security certificate is not trusted because it's not a valid CA. Do you trust? I say yes, trust and continue. So what profile you want? I'll say VPN default profile. Next, do you want to authenticate with a username, password, certificate, secure ID, or what exactly that's the authentication method you want to use? I'll say username and the password. Click next and finish. Would you like to connect? Yes, I would like to connect. My username is Dayal, right? Password is welcome at 12345. Now let's see if I can connect or not. Access denied, right? Now let me use this Dayal welcome at 12345. Connect. Okay, with this local user it get connected. You can see connection succeeded, right? Now if I'll go here, I'll check IP configuration on this PC. IP config, it's getting 10.0.5.165, right? Sorry, this is the local PC, local IP. It's getting 172.16.10.1. Okay. Now, where this particular IP address is configured, or where this pool is configured, just go on your gateway, double click on it, go to mobile access, and just go to mobile access, authentication. No, yeah. In the office mode, can you see this group? CP underscore default underscore office underscore mode underscore address underscore pool. Huh? This is the
Default
group.
pool.
This is the group which is called in your mobile access, and from this pool, your users are getting IP address. Now, what is this pool? If you go to this particular object and search for CP underscore default, this is the group, right? Double click on it. See, it's /24. 172.16.10.0, and the similar IP address this PC has got, 172.16.10.1, the first IP from the pool it got, right? Is it clear
Mm.
or not, everyone? Now, if you
Yes.
want to change something, you can change this group. Yes, you can either change the value in this group, or what you can do, you can create another group, you can call it over there, not a problem. This is your call, not a problem, right? If you want to use /16, you can do it, not a problem. But now, because, like, see, this VPN is connected, right? It's compliant, right? But if you try to ping something from here, let me ping 192.168.1.100. I'm not getting the ping. Why? Huh?
But
Hmm?
let's
Why I'm not able to ping? That's the question, right? Now, if I'll say here, home DST1, enter. Now, can you see this particular rule? Huh? It says cleanup
Yes.
rule.
Yes.
Why cleanup rule? We already have this access rule, right? Access rule. So that means this particular role is not able to identify the traffic, right? This role.
Okay.
This rule should match, right? So that's the reason I need to, what I'm missing. If I'll do legacy user, we have done multiple time this thing. I'm not sure why it's not happening this time. What I'm missing, man. Hmm. Okay, so we have this. Perfect. Okay, go to VPN clients authentication at the bottom of the screen. Select the machine authentication. Choose when available or mandatory. Click OK. That is the authentication. That is the same configuration we already have. We have not changed anything in this configuration, right? That configuration is same. Mobile authentication. Hmm. Okay. Now here, okay, this is VPN authentication. Yeah, when available. Hmm. So I'll not be using this. So now here it says the policy configuration, the user machine, install the access control policy, object menu, select more user access role. Okay. New access window open. From the left, click on the user plane, add user, any user. It says the, okay. Users, okay. Machine access role, and then access role, no. Source. In the access role, choose specific machine group on machine pane and LDAP machine group or any or network client connect to machine authentication. Okay. Install policy. What all blades we have? Something to do with the blade. Some small information we are missing. And mobile access, yes, that is there. Which is allowed. Okay, this is the error. Let's see what they say. Correct. Okay, close policy, right click on it. Edit policy blades. Okay. Edit policy blades. It's allowed mobile access, yeah. Okay. Okay, one moment, one moment. Okay. Okay. Publish. It seems installing, man. No. Why? Why you are asking me to disable the mobile access on the policy layer? Okay.
Did we create this as a legacy object?
Yes, so the like groups will be the legacy groups, right, on the firewall. It seems installed. Now let me see this article, what it says. Cause there is a limitation in the oh, it can only be used in the layer. Oh man. Okay. So the thing is, when I am using the local legacy users in the rule, I cannot enable the mobile access blade on the policy. Okay. Give me just one moment. Yeah, so okay. That was okay. Now if I'll ping, I'm able to ping. And if you go to your admin logs, that's fine, but it is strange. Okay. Here. Okay, let me use 172.16.10.1. Okay. Can you see this sign? Huh? Can you see this
Yes.
log, the first one? It's using the VPN, it's getting decrypted, it's coming on gateway one, and it's coming encrypted on the gateway. It's coming, it's a description, like decryption is happening, and then it's getting passed to the PC, right? Sorry, our admin PC. So this is how you can configure the VPN on the checkpoint. And if you want to see here, you can see it says it's connected, right? It's compliant. So this is the basic configuration. It was just we were using the legacy users. That's the reason it was not like it was not allowing us to push the policy. Now my question is, in the legacy user group,
But earlier you were not able to ping.
yes, because I was not able to like there was not legacy user. There were access role was called, right?
Okay.
They should not be access role actually. It should be
Okay.
legacy users or the group with the LDAP users. Now, I need to configure one more rule here. I'll say right click and I'll say legacy user, and here I'll say LDAP user group, okay? And here it will be remote access VPN, okay? And I'll say this will be accept and this will be log, publish, publish, no, not install policy. I need to disable the first rule because, okay. Uh, hmm. If I go to VPN community, the remote access VPN group, LDAP group is there, right? LDAP user group. Okay. Now inside this group, I have this account unit. So in this unit, if I go here on this server, let me create one more user just for the test, okay? Control Shift Delete, none. Here I'll create one more user. New Vikas. Vikas. Okay. Welcome at 12345. Welcome at 12345. Next, finish. I'll go to our group. What was the name of the group? LDAP test, right? Here, members, add Vikas, check name, yes, it's there. Apply, okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go to my this. So there, this LDAP is there, okay. Now let me just create a policy on this rule. So here we have our LDAP group called, right? And let us install the policy once. And let's see if we can log in with the username Vikas. Now, Vikas is not created as a legacy user, okay? It's available on the LDAP.
So what does it mean by legacy user?
Legacy user means the user which is created on the smart dashboard or maybe your SMS server.
Local, I mean.
Local, yes. Okay, I'll disconnect this, yes. I'll connect with the name of Vikas this time. The password is welcome at 12345. Okay, 5%, 23, retrieving site information. I doubt this will be able to connect. Yes, failed site not responding. I'll connect again one more time. I'll use Vikas. Welcome at 12345. So because hmm, 5%, no, it's not going. So we need to check on the VPN community, remote access. If I'll do click, mhm, cancel this. Hmm, this is not the group I wanted. More user identity, LDAP group, access role, identity tag, user template, identity provider, LDAP account unit. What if I'll do this? Okay, test LDAP users hyphen new. Okay, I'm not giving any DC or DN. I'm saying everything which is under this. Okay, click OK, publish, publish. Okay, this is not connected. I'll close this. I'll go here. I'll go to the policy. Here, I'll edit this. I'll say legacy, this new, click OK, publish, OK, install the policy now. Install. Okay, it's successful. Now let me try one more time. It's connecting. Disconnect this. Yes. I'll connect again. I'll say Vikas, welcome at 12345. Connect. How to use LDAP group in remote access VPN role in checkpoint. I doubt it will be able to connect. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Okay, this option require license. Strange. So in the smart console kill menu, global body user to okay. Mhm. This is the same. It's giving us the like legacy user sort of. Okay. No. So here account unit. Okay. Yes. This thing we have already created. Yes. This part is already done. Yes. Yes. Okay. So here it says authentication tab, clear on the text use common, okay. In allowed authentication section, you must select the checkpoint password, okay. All right, let us, okay, this is not getting connected. Let's us go to here and LDAP account unit. Lab LDAP, yes. Authentication, these all option, use the user template, okay. This option, what user template? Default, it should be, no, it should not be default, it should be, oh. So basically what they are doing in LDAP, they have created a user template. Okay, let me see. Okay, so here basically they said that in Smart Console right panel, click new more user in the user template. Okay, let me do that. This option new. Okay, user identity, user template. Okay, I'll say lab user underscore temp. Okay, temp. And here according to the global properties, okay, it says according to global properties, okay, temp, there it is, authentication, checkpoint, okay, okay, perfect. This thing we have performed. Click OK. Now here, what was the first option that says in the global properties? User directory. Okay. Yeah, it's already enabled, right? Okay. Let's cancel this. Now, if I'll go to LDAP and LDAP account unit, user defined, lab user template, okay. Then what it says, okay, okay, perfect. Now it says, after this, you just go to the user LDAP group, account unit, AD select, okay, perfect. All you can, okay. and then legacy user. Okay, so rule we have already created right here. Yes, now let me publish this. Publish. So now, see, guys, I know you might be confused a bit, but you know what I'm doing? I'm just trying to pull in the group from the AD to the SMS server so that I can use that group in this remote access VPN rule. That's what I'm doing actually, right? You guys are there, right? Or
Uh,
you already
Yeah.
left? Yeah. Tick, 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 tick. And it's successful. Close this. Let's go on this one more time. Cancel this and disconnect it. Yes. Connect once again. I'll say Vikas I want, and the password is welcome at 12345. Connect. Okay. You get rid of the group. Okay. Let me just verify all the steps they have mentioned to call this LDAP configuration for remote access VPN. Yes, this option is enabled. They said create a template, and in the template, it says in the template you should define a machine address also. Oh, it's new host. It's not okay. Given in LDAP. Okay, new host has been created. Okay, check. Okay, in the authentication checkpoint password. Okay, okay. Oh, so this UNL LDAP, this was basically their LDAP server. That's the reason they have added this step we have already performed yesterday. So they have used the template, okay, and then they have created a LDAP group where they have called their AD, right? Yes, and then they have called that group in the rule. That's what we have done, except now this thing is not happening. Cancel this, yes. Now if I'll connect, I'll say welcome at 12345. or I can use a HTTPS 10.0.3.181/connect. Proceed. Okay, mobile access. Okay, it's SSL VPN. Sorry, my bad. Not connect. Connect was for mobile. Uh, okay, if I'll say Vikas, sign in. Close. Okay, if I'll say no, it's not coming. Mm, but with Dayal, it will be able to connect. Connect. Ah, is it like this? This interface is not responding? Oh God. Admin, admin 123. CP stat OS -f if config. Yeah, it's enabled and it's perfectly fine. It seems this site is not respond. Oh, my bad. VPN option. Let me delete this once. Yes. Next. 10.0.3.181. 181. Connect. Ah, sorry. Next. 10.0.1, sorry, 3.181, right? And next, this is cancel. I pressed cancel that time. Yeah, sorry, I was talking on mute. So I was saying that uh, it's not able to connect with the LDAP users, but it's able to connect with the legacy user, right? You just seen that I was able to connect with the legacy user Dayal, whereas with the small d in the Dayal, I was not able to connect because small d with Dayal is a LDAP user, as well as the Vikas is also a LDAP user. So I was not able to authenticate. It was saying the um, authentication failed, access denied. So I need to check that what could be the reason over here why I'm not able to connect with the LDAP for this particular uh, remote access VPN configuration, which I'll check later on, not a problem. In the meantime, see this LDAP configuration, sorry, not LDAP, this remote access VPN configuration is not too much difficult, but there are certain complexity involved, right? So which you need to keep in mind. It's not very much big configuration. It's just a few clicks and that's it, right? But for that, you need certain things to be to available on certain places. For example, LDAP and everything to be there. Blades should be enabled and everything. So I would say that's all. That's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me.
What's a quick question? What's the difference between a site and a gateway? I feel like they both are the same, right?
Yeah, same. It's just the way you call it.
Mm, okay.
Okay,
All right.
so like see, remote access is also like a completed. It's just I need to check why it's not able to pull the LDAP users and why it's not able to authenticate with the LDAP users. I'll check and I'll explain in the next class. And just for your information, next week will be your last classes for this particular batch. Most probably on Saturday we will be finishing this batch. So do the revision, come with your doubts, guys. I will be more than happy to answer your doubts. Okay.
All right. Cool. Thanks so much.
Vikas, sir, is it
Yes.
possible to schedule it on Sunday?
No problem. We'll see that if it will
Because
be required. I'll conduct it on Sunday also. Not a
thing is
problem.
that actually Saturday is my working day, so that's why I'm not able to join this Saturday.
We'll see. We'll see. If like because we have the advanced troubleshooting also on Saturday, right? The
Okay,
FW monitor, Z debug, and everything we have. So if it will be feasible, we'll have it on Sunday also. Not a problem. Okay.
Thanks so
okay.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and thing is that actually due to actually our working hours and all those, we are not able to do the lab setup in that online in that lab. So is it possible if we get some extra time to just work on those lab?
On your
Like
PC.
no. I mean
Then
the networking's lab that.
see that lab duration you are talking about, right? If you'll get
Yes,
extra
yes, yes,
extra
yes.
time. I think I'm not very sure about the lab duration, but I
Mm.
think this lab will be available for 1 month or 2 months for you, I believe. I'm not very sure about it. You just confirm with the support team, okay? They will confirm it. All right.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
And one more thing, like that do you guys have like any other group like where they have all like uh firewalls export and all those, and they share their
Yes, I think we do
query.
have one Telegram group. You can join that Telegram group. We have all the students available over there. But I
Mm-hmm.
doubt you'll not be able to post any queries over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Okay.
uh,
But what you can do, you can ask team if they have any common group or something. Okay.
I can do that. And if I have any query in future as well, can I use this group only just to ask you? Like,
Yeah, why not?
okay,
Okay.
yeah,
All right.
okay.
Thank you, everyone.
All right.
Thank you. Bye. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.